Okay, so we're going to plug the little white in. One of them is going to be ground. So, do we have an extra ground? Yes, we have an extra ground right here. We're going to need to figure out what number we're going to use. We could use 2 as our pin for it. So I'm just going to plug it in number 2. Or is that number 2? This is number 2. This is number 2 right here. So now I'm going to go back and program that in. Hello guys, I got everything set up. Okay, it's all tangled up, but the white is right here. So I think this is the one that turns it on, and whenever you swipe it back, this is the one that turns it off. So if I do that, it does nothing. If I do that, it turns it on. If I put it up back, it'll turn it off. And if I put this right here, it'll turn it back on. So I can just go bing, 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 bing. And turn things on and off.